So choosing new tweezers is such a minefield. I've had so many. I've literally got 5 in my tweezer case at the minute, but I always stick with my trusties. I love my curved Dumonts. I use them for my classic lashing, I use them for my volume as well. And because they're a kind of tweezer that when you first have them, they're a little bit stiff and you need to break them in. It's a bit like a pair of shoes. Once they're kind of like, they fit really well, you know, they feel quite snug, they're like always your favorite. I just find that even to pick up your singles, they're great. You can just go in, you've got that good angle to pick them up from. Making your fans, you've got that little fine kind of point there, which helps to make your fans. And also your pre-mades as well. They're really good to kind of go into your pre-made, pick it up from the stem and then pull back. Because sometimes with some pre-made, you kind of pull them and you might pull 1 or 2 out of like the 4D that's in there. So this just helps you to get through, gather it and pull back and apply in.